How to fix Apple Music playlist disappeared. So if you want to fix the Apple Music playlist disappeared, then just follow the steps. If you're using the iOS, then simply tap on the Settings app on your iOS device. At the top of the screen, tap on your name and Apple ID or the profile picture. This will take you to the Apple ID settings. Then scroll down and tap on Subscriptions option. And then you'll find a list of active subscriptions, including your Apple Music. Tap on the Apple Music to view the details of your subscription, such as its status and renewal options. If your Apple Music subscription has lapsed, you'll likely see an option to review or subscribe. Tap on the option to proceed with renewing your subscription. Or if you're facing a problem on your iOS device, then you just need to simply go with the settings on your iPhone and then go with the music option. Under music, go with show Apple Music and make sure that it is toggled on. And if it's not toggled on, then simply go and turn it on and your problem might be fixed. Or the other way is if you're using the Mac, then you just need to simply open up your music application on your Mac and then click on music on the top menu bar and then select preferences. Under preferences, you need to select general tab and here make sure the option of sync library is checked. If it is not, then simply toggle it on or check it on and then go with OK and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Apple Music playlist disappeared. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.